How's it going, guys? Lightning Slay's back, and today we're gonna continue where we left off on how to make pizza. This is part 2 of 2, and let's make some pizza, guys. Okay, guys. So now what you want to do with your pizza dough is like take it out of here, and then just put some flour like on your work area, and then just start kneading it, and for like 10 minutes or less. We want to bring the dough back to life. I'll knead it in a few seconds. Then once you finish kneading the dough, let it rest for like 5 minutes, and then grab your pan, and let's hope you're good at shaping pizzas. Okay, guys, so now that our dough has set, now it's time to grab your ingredients. Now I'm gonna use pepperoni, of course tomato sauce, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Now if you're wondering where the bell peppers are, they're the bell peppers. Yeah, red. I'm also gonna be using mozzarella cheese. You can use any type of cheese that you want. Now, let's cut this and then shape it and then pour our ingredients in. Now, this is so satisfying when I do it. Okay, now this could probably make like 4 medium pizzas, but I'm gonna be making 2 large pizzas. Now let me shape them and put my ingredients in. Okay, guys, so once you got your pizza like this in your pan, you can start putting on ingredients. Now, what I would do is put like a little bit of olive oil in the spoon and then just put it in, then just start like rubbing it all over. And you're wondering why? And I say to make the pizza taste good. And you're wondering, how is it not sticky, or how did my roller not stick to my pizza? The secret is flour. Just put flour. If you feel a little bit stickiness, put flour and then just start rolling it out. Okay, now let me put my ingredients. Then once it's ready, I'll put it in the oven. I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, guys, now for the last and final, second to last step. Turn on your oven. Now you might need an adult for this, mostly your mom and dad. Put the oven temperature like at 400 and put the pizzas in for like 25 minutes. At 301, I'm gonna check, guys. And that's it for pizza. Well, guys, after nearly half an hour, these pizzas are done. ¿Qué piensas? ¿Están ricas?
Good.
Yep. And it tastes good too. Trust me. Agárrate un pedazo. Aquí está el cuchillo también. But as soon as you take it out of the oven, guys, wait for it to cool down. Man, my dad can't wait to eat this thing. Well, this is Lightning Slay, guys, and hope you like this video, and feel free to ask any questions about the pizza. Well, let's see the taste test. Pruébala. Wait for it to cool down. I've already burned my mouth tasting this. Well, thanks, guys. Like and subscribe.